Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V30 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and restore, and as you can see it is basically made with the Google server, so you don't have to look for any other backup options. Let's tap on backup data, and now we have to add the Google account. If you do have one currently added to your device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you will have to add it right now. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just tap on it and learn, and tap on I agree to confirm everything, after learning, of course, reading. So here we've got the backup section. Finally, we can choose what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data like contacts, call history, device settings and text messages, etc. So just mark the options. You can mark both. I'll choose only this one and tap on confirm. Then tap on manage backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so you could check what has already been backed up, and at the bottom the option in advanced settings, and to be honest I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some additional and unnecessary charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and your device will right now back up the data from your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.